this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a load balancer inside of AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aws.amazon.com, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. Now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar and click on EC2 like so, and under the services you'll be able to see the EC2 dashboard, and once you click on that, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and go over to where it says load balancing. And as you can see right here, load balancing, and right underneath that you'll be able to see load balancers. Now from here you'll be able to see an overview of all of your previous created load balancers right here. And if you don't have one already, then you will need to create a new one by template by creating load balancer right here on the right hand corner. Once from here, you'll need to go down to load balancer types, and here you'll need to choose the application load balancer. From here, you'll need to go down to create, and once from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, we'll need to add the basic configuration, and you'll firstly need to add in a name for this specific load balancers. So just choose a unique name like test5lb right here. Then from here, you'll need to go down to schemes, and you'll need to click the internet facing or internal. You just choose which one of these are most suitable for you. And once from here, you'll need to go down to load balancer IP address and choose IPv4 right here. Once from here, you'll need to go down to the network mapping, where you'll need to choose your VPC. Now from here, you'll need to choose your specific VPC, and as you can see, I have a default option right here. And if you don't see one already, then from here, you will simply need to click Create VPC, and then a new page will open up where you can create a VPC for your load balancer. Once from here, you'll need to go down to IP pools, where you can add an IPAM pool for public IPv4 addresses if you want to do that. And from here, you'll need to add availability zones and subnets, where you'll need to choose at least 2 of these options down here. So just choose 2 right then and there, like so. Once from here, you'll need to scroll down to security groups. And once from here, you'll need to choose one right here. And if you don't see one, then you'll need to create a security group by clicking right here and then creating a new security group. Once from here, again, just simply click on it. And then from here, you'll need to go down to listener and routing. Once from here, once you create a load balancer, you'll need to click in a HTTP and choose the port 80. Once from here, you'll need to go down to default actions and go down to forward to target group and not direct to URL or return fixed responses. Just choose the forward to a target group. Once from here, you'll need to choose your specific target group that you want to add it to. And as you can see, I've already created one, but if you don't already have one, you can always go down here to create a target group. And then from here, you'll just need to choose the specific target group that you want to create. Once from here, you can also add a new target group if you want to add. You can add up to 4 more if you will like that into your load balancer. And you can also add listener tags, which are optional. You can also add new listeners if you want to do that inside of your load balancer. And you can choose and add even more load balancer tags by clicking right here and click add new tags. Once from here, as you can see, all of these are optional, but you can add Amazon CloudFront AWS Web Application Firewall. You can add AWS Web Application Firewall WAF, or you can add the AWS Global Accelerator. All of these will cost extra inside of your load balancers, just keep that in mind. Once from here, you'll need to click review, and then from here, you'll be having a review of your entire load balancers that we have just created. Once from here, if you are acceptable with all of these terms, you'll simply need to click load balancer right there. Once from here, sometimes there will be something like the HTTP will have an error status, but from here, you can either diagnose with MSQ, or you can try retrial failed steps again, and then try creating one again. But from here, you'll be sent over to your specific load balancers once you've successfully created one. And then from here, you'll have successfully created a load balancer inside of AWS. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!